A major snow and ice, a threat from Winter Storm Jonas. You're looking at just a few of the cities in line for potentially significant impacts. Washington, D.C., Lexington.
Yeah, all those areas that you're seeing on the left are going to be in for potentially some heavy snowfall.
Yep.
64 is going to be a problem. 81 is going to be a problem. Now, you look on the right-hand side of the screen, then we're going to add in the potential for some freezing rain and sleet for Charlotte, certainly, as well as Raleigh kind of being on that cusp.
They are going to be. Charlotte, Raleigh all look good today. However, as he pauses for drama and emphasis,
Tomorrow.
big time changes coming as we go now to the bottom of the hour, which is going to be a jam-packed couple of days here at the Weather Channel. Thanks for staying with us. I'm meteorologist Ray Stagel.
And I'm meteorologist Jennifer Delgado. Of course, we want to track the very latest with our dangerous winter storm that is developing with Dr. Greg Postel. And Dr. Greg Postel, I have to tell you, I mean, just 2+ feet of snowfall. I mean, ice threat.
Maybe.
Potentially half-inch to an inch of ice.
And a bunch of ice, multifaceted storm. I mean, this reminds me of some of the classics. I mean, I remember Blizzard of '93, Superstorm, similar, maybe just not as many cities further north affected.
This one has all basically aspects of a winter blizzard that you typically have, right? We're going to have very strong winds along the coast, coastal flooding. We're going to have a lot of snow, especially in the interior sections. We'll have some mixture of rain and snow right along the coast, which happens a lot, especially with big storms that are wound up and bring all that warmth and moisture inland a little bit. And we have ice in the Carolinas to deal with tomorrow and also, I think, tomorrow night as well. Let's step back, though, for a minute, because you guys, I know we were talking about this, and Ray, you were recently in contact with some folks in New York City who were trying to pin you down.
They
want to know it
They
all.
want one number.
One number.
WOR radio, by the way. I'll call them right out.
Wow.
I don't love that.
They'll love it.
But here's the thing, and we all know this, there's really a range of possibilities, right? Because Mother Nature doesn't work that way. You can give your best estimate, which is one number, which is that. We also know there's some probability of things working out a little bit differently, and we'll get to that in a second.
Yeah, we don't really forecast snow with one number. I mean, it's just not with the sun. That's not what we do. When it rains, somebody doesn't say you're going to get 1.27 inches of rain, right? Everybody says heavy rain, maybe an inch or two. Everybody's like, oh, that's fine.
Right, but when you break down the snow.
Yeah, everybody's like, give me one number.
Yeah, you may think that's the most likely number, but that doesn't mean there's not another chance of another number coming through. So let's talk about that, though, because what we've got is the maximum swath of snow is likely to be in northern Virginia, western Maryland, perhaps even getting into the D.C. area, and maybe even far southwestern Virginia.